Hey everybody, so let's just get right into this video. I will be dyeing this wig into a auburn slash light brown golden color. So first I'm going to show you guys the materials you'll be needing. This thing, I don't know what it's called, but it's like a little mixer bowl. You can get it from the hair store for $1.99. You'll be needing an applicator brush, some gloves, of course. I'll be using the Dark and Lovely shade 384 light golden blonde color. I got it from Walmart. You'll need some combs and a brush, and let's see what else. Okay, so I'm opening the box. This color is like a platinum, to me it looks like a platinum gold blondie look, and I don't want that color. But I watched a whole bunch of YouTube videos, and people with darker hair, when they use this color, it turned into a light brown auburny color instead of gold. So I decided to get the wrong color to get the right color I wanted, if that makes sense. What else about this color? Oh yeah, so I want to dye my real hair this color, but I don't know. I've never dyed my hair before, so I'm testing it out on this wig first to see if it damages the wig and to see if I like it on myself. So that's why I'm testing it out on my wig first. So I'm opening the instructions. They have some gloves attached to it. I didn't know that you had to open it from the bottom side up, so I'm taking out those gloves now. And the things I pulled out of the box are the creams and the conditioner and stuff like that. So the first step is to apply your gloves, or put on your gloves. And this is the Dark and Lovely cream developer that I'm holding right now. So you're going to take off the cap, open up the actual cap. There's like a cap on it. Don't smell it, y'all. I smelled it. I don't know why I did, but don't. And then you're gonna cut open the Dark and Lovely high lift booster packet. This is what I'm cutting open now. And if you look at there, right there. So that powder, it's very, I don't know, like airborne, I guess is the word. So if you breathe it in, it does, it does have a very strong scent that you don't want to breathe in, and it was like that scent was just getting everywhere. So I'd advise you to put on like a mask or something. I dyed the wig twice, and I put on the mask the second time I dyed it. So now you're gonna pour it into the bottle using your gloves, and you're going to shake that up for 10 to 15 seconds. I was dumping the powder into the little mixing bowl to see if the rest was coming out. So look at me reading instructions. Okay, so now you're gonna put on the lid and start shaking it. Now I'm only showing you guys I'm only showing you guys one bottle. I ended up doing 2 bottles, but that's a waste of time, so I'm just showing you guys how to prepare one dyeing bottle. So next you're going to take the Dark and Lovely Rich Conditioning Hair Lightening bottle and pour the content into the cream developer, as I'm doing right now. And you're going to shake that up as well for about 10 to 15 seconds. Make sure it's secured and you put your thumb over the cap, because that little cap that you took off in the beginning, you can't put it back on, so you really have to make sure your thumb is on it. Alright, so now I'm going to begin my dyeing process. That's the second bottle, by the way. So there's 2 bottles, as you can see. I should have moved them out the way, but I literally kept it in front of the camera. So this is the wig. It looks raggedy, I know, but it was just washed. There's no product on it. I'm kind of combing out the curls, so it looks pretty raggedy, but it's a great wig. This is probably my favorite wig I've ever had. I'll leave the link in the description of where I got it from. I got it on Amazon, because AliExpress was tripping. I think it was due to the coronavirus. They weren't letting out products soon enough, so I got this from Amazon. Alright, so I have newspaper on the sink, and I have been putting on the dye and spreading it in with the applicator brush. Here's when I went wrong. So I sectioned the hair off into two pieces. This is one piece, and then the second piece is hanging down. I didn't get inside of the hair, I just got on the top and the bottom, if that makes sense. Like, I didn't get inside of the roots and stuff. So oh, and by the way, make sure it's an inch from the scalp area so it doesn't get too light. Anyways, so I didn't get inside the hair, which caused it to be unevenly colored or dyed, and there's a lot of darker spots, so I had to bleach it. I had to dye that wig twice, but I didn't show this in the video, but I did dye it twice. So this is the first go around, and you're just seeing me work the product into the hair, and it's getting on my skin. Y'all, please ignore my dress. I know it's making me look bodiless, making me look like I have a box body, but that's not the case. You just gotta put on something that's comfortable and that you don't mind getting messed up, and that is that dress, that ugly dress. Alright, I skipped me doing the second piece section of the wig, and this is the whole piece now. So I took some foil, and I think this is also where I went wrong. I bended the hair. I'm not sure if you're supposed to bend it, but when I dyed it the second time, I had it all laid out. But anyways, it's like the hair is folded. So here's a little patty, the wig patty, and we're gonna let it sit for, let me read these instructions. So it says have it sit for about 20 minutes and then take it out and do the roots, and then set it for an additional 40 minutes. So it said the longest it should be sitting for 60 minutes, but mine was probably like an hour and I don't know, 15-20 minutes. All right, so here I'm mixing up the conditioner. So they come with the pre-made conditioner, and I'm taking some oils because it's gonna get very dry since you literally just stripped it of all its whatever, nutrients and stuff that's already in the hair. Sorry if I'm having the wrong hair lingo. So here's some tea tree oil and some Jamaican castor oil. Or is it Jamaican black? I don't remember. I think it's castor oil. So anyways, I'm mixing that with the conditioner. You're supposed to have it sit in your hair before you rinse it out for about 4 minutes, I think. Let me see. Yeah, 3 to 5 minutes. So I'm mixing that up, and I won't show me washing it because it took me a very long time because I wanted to get all of the dye out before I applied the conditioner. That was also one conditioner bottle, but I ended up putting the second one in there as well later on, showing off camera, so you guys can just watch me squeeze out the rest of this white poop. Okay, so now I'm putting some more conditioner into the mixture because I like the smell of this one. I'm gonna add some oil into it and start to mix it up, and then I'm going to show you guys what the hair looks like before it's been washed. So here it is. I did not like it. Looked really bad. It looked raggedy and matted, and it just didn't look good. So I'm about to wash that off camera, and I'm gonna show you guys. This is the other bag I got from Walmart. I got 2 more dyes. I ended up only using 1, but I re-dyed the hair because, as you can tell, I didn't really like it. I like the color, but there's too many dark spots. It's dyed very unevenly. In the middle, it has a lot of dark patches, so I re-dyed it. In the second video, you'll see the outcome of the second time around of me dyeing it. So here it is. I really liked this color. It was like a light brown auburny color, and the next video is going to be with me starting to style my hair. So here's the edges, and I kind of made a side piece, a side part, And the next video is going to be me in 2 buns to where I'm starting to curl them. So I used some kinky curly leave-in conditioner and put my hair into 2 braids, wrap that around itself, and I'm going to let it sit so I can achieve really cute natural curls. Okay guys, don't ignore the back seat. Today is his birthday! So we got a lot of stuff going back there. But I just want to end on my outro. Thank you guys for watching my video. I'm going to show you guys what the hair looks like right now.
Looking good.
Okay guys, thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll catch you guys later with my man. Say hey, birthday boy. I'm letting him drive. Okay.
For now.
For now. Bye guys.